Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of installing PyCharm on Windows. Prerequisite, you must have Python installed on your system. If you have not installed Python yet, check out my video. The link is available in the description. So let's get started. First open your browser and search for PyCharm IDE. You will get the first website, PyCharm the Python IDE, which is from jetbrains.com. Click on it and open it. On the website, you will see a download button. Click on this button or use the download button in the top right corner. Just click on it. Now here you will see different operating system, Windows, Mac OS or Linux. Since I am using Windows, so I will proceed with the Windows option. Now here you will find two versions of PyCharm. PyCharm Professional, it is paid version. If you want advanced features, then you can just download from here, but it is a paid version. Since I am downloading for free version, so just scroll down. Here you will find PyCharm Community Edition, which is free and open source. Here you just click on download under the community edition. The download will start. If you can see here, it is downloading. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, just double click on the pycharm.exe file and let me minimize the browser. Now a prompt will appear asking for permission. Just click yes. Now the PyCharm setup wizard will open. Click next to proceed. Now it will ask for the installation location. You can either leave it as default or click browse to select a custom location, and from here you can select your location wherever you want to install. I will leave it as the default. Here you will see that at least 2 GB of free space is required. So click next to continue. Now here you will get some additional installation option. So create desktop shortcut, check this option to create a desktop shortcut for PyCharm. Add open folder as a project, context menu. Check this to add the option to open folders in PyCharm from the right click menu. Here it will ask create association, associate.py files with PyCharm. Check this to set PyCharm as a default program for opening Python files. Here it will ask you to add bin folder to path. It is saying basically it allows to running PyCharm from the command line. If you want to check, then you can check it. I don't want, so I am not checking here. If you check this, then after the installation, make sure you restart your PC. Now select the options as per your preference and click next. Now here leave the start menu folder as default and just click install. The installation process will start. Wait for it to complete. Once the installation is finished, just click finish. If you can see in your desktop, PyCharm shortcut is added. Now open PyCharm by clicking on the shortcut icon. Now the first time you open PyCharm, it will ask you to accept the license agreement. So read it carefully and check box 2 I confirm and just click continue. Next you will see a data sharing option. If you want to share anonymous usage data, click send anonymous statistics. Otherwise click don't send. I will choose don't send. If you have VS Code installed in your PC, it may ask if you want to import settings from it. I will click skip import and proceed. Once PyCharm opens, you will see options like projects, customize and plugins. Under the customize, here you will get different settings, import settings. If you click on all settings, you will get more settings. You can also change the theme of your PyCharm. I will select the light theme and you can see the interface color changes immediately. Under the plugins, you can install additional plugins for your project if you want. Now click on projects. Here click on new project to create your first Python project. Here you will see an option called create a welcome script. Check this box. In the location field, you can choose where to save your project. I will leave it as default, but you can click browse to change the location. And from here you can select your location wherever you want to save your project. By default, the project name is Python project, but I will rename it. My first. Now here under the interpreter type, you will get different option. Project VNV, that means virtual environment. Base conda, custom environment. You can choose any, whatever you want. Here I am choosing a virtual environment. So I have selected project env. The virtual environment option is selected by default. But if you have Python installed, PyCharm will automatically detect your installed Python version if you have Python installed in your system. Since I have installed Python 3.13, so it has been detected automatically. If you have multiple Python version, then click on drop down. From here you can select the Python version, whatever you want. Since I have Python 3.13, it has been automatically detected and selected. From here you can download and install and select whatever the Python version you want. Now here click create to start the project setup. And PyCharm will take few moments to set up the project. Wait for it to complete. Since we checked the create welcome script, PyCharm automatically creates a main.py file with an sample function. You can see here. Let's look at the code. Look at the code. It has created one print high function, calling that function in main and passing the argument PyCharm. To run the script, just click on the run button at the top. You will see the output in the terminal. Hi PyCharm is printed. Now let's modify the code. Inside the function in the replace hi with welcome. And here we have to pass the parameter. Now run the script again. You will see welcome to CodeCraftWithAyush is printed. That it's you have successfully installed PyCharm on Windows and created your first Python project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you face any issue, feel free to comment below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching.